Hello children, welcome to Tinglitin Tools Karka Kasadara Kalvi Kudam. Today we are going to learn patterns. Standing line and sleeping line. This is a standing line. This is a standing line. Shall we write standing line? Come down. This is a standing line. This is a sleeping line. This is a sleeping line. Shall we write sleeping line? Go right. This is a sleeping line. Now let's make a pattern using standing line and sleeping line. Standing line. Sleeping line. Standing line. Sleeping line. Standing line. Sleeping line. Standing line. Sleeping line. Come down. Go right. Come down. Go right. Come down. Go right. Come down. Go right. This is a pattern using standing line and sleeping line. It also has a color pattern. Red, yellow. Red, yellow. Red, yellow. Red, yellow.